Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will do implicit derivation of that function, x to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2 equal 5x to the power of 2 plus 6y to the power of 3. So if I look at my function, the first part of it, the left hand side, it is x to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2. It looks like u divided by v. And if I want to have the derivative of u divided by v is equal u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. Okay? In that case, my u is equal to x to the power of 3. So my u prime would be 3x2. And my v is equal y to the power of 2. And my v prime would be the derivative of y to the power of 2. It's 2y. Okay? So let's rewrite the function x to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2. I want the derivative of this, or let's write it this way, the derivative, equal 5x squared plus 6y to the power of 3. I want the derivative of that. And when I have x and y, it is implicit derivation. So what I do is u prime v, the left hand side, it is x to the power of 3 prime times v, which is y to the power of 2, plus u, which is x to the power of 3, actually minus, not plus, minus u v prime, which is y to the power of 2 prime, divided by v squared. And this is the formula that I used. It's here. U prime v minus u v prime divided by v2 is equal, now, the derivative of 5x to the power of 2 plus 6y to the power of 3, again the derivative. So let's do the derivative now. So d of x to the power of 3 divided by dx, y2, minus x to the power of 3 dy to the power of 2 divided by dx equal d of 5 x to the power of 2 divided by dx plus 6d. Let's move it a little bit. I'm writing a little bit big. Plus d of 6y to the power of 3 divided by dx. Yeah? So, when I'm deriving according to x, and I have x in my numerator, it's easy. That becomes 3x squared y2 minus x3 and dy to the power of 2 divided by dx. And here, I want to multiply by 1, knowing that 1 is a neutral element of multiplication. So if I multiply anything by 1, I don't change it. Like 100 times 1 is 100, and 1 billion times 1 is 1 billion. But my 1, I want to write it in a clever way. My 1, I want to write it as dy divided by dy. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. So I maintain the equality of my fraction, or of whatever I am doing. Equal, now I'm deriving according to x, 5x2, it becomes 10x plus d of 6y to the power of 3 divided by dx multiplied by 1, which is dy divided by dy. So let's do it. So it is 3x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2 minus x3. And now I know 2 times 4 is equal to 4 times 2. So when I am multiplying, it does not matter the order. So I can switch the order. So here I can switch dx and dy. So it is d of y to the power of 2 divided by dy times dy divided by dx. And now I'm deriving according to y, and I'm deriving y, which is feasible. Equal 10x, and again I'm gonna apply the same logic here, plus d 6y to the power of 3 divided by dy times dy divided by dx. And now let's do the derivative according to y. It becomes 3x squared y squared minus x3 times 2y times 2y, because I'm deriving according to my y here, times dy divided by dx equal 10x, and I'm dividing according to y, so plus 3 times 6 is 18y squared times dy divided by dx. Now I want to keep anything that has dy divided by dx on the left hand side of my equality. So I will keep minus x to the power of 3 2y dy divided by dx, and I will bring this to the left hand side, so it becomes minus 18y to the power of 2 dy divided by dx equal, this will go to the right hand side, minus 3x2 y2, because I changed the sign when it moved from one side to the other, plus 10x. And here on the left hand side I can factor out dy divided by dx. So dy divided by dx, factor of minus x to the power of 3 2y minus 18y to the power of 2 equal minus 3x squared y squared plus 10x. Now if I want my dy divided by dx, I divide here by minus x3 2y minus 18y squared, and I have to maintain the equality, my equality. I have to, whatever I do on the right hand side, I do it on the left hand side, so minus x to the power of 3 2y minus 18y squared. So a number divided by itself, it's 1, is equal minus 3x squared y squared plus 10 divided by minus, I can put minus into parentheses, x to the power of 3 2y plus 18y squared, and now I can multiply the numerator and the denominator by minus, so it becomes 3x squared y squared, there is an x here, it is here, minus 10x, because I multiplied the numerator by minus, and the denominator I will multiply it by minus, it becomes x to the power of 3 2y plus 18y squared. So that would be the answer of the implicit derivative of that function. The implicit derivative of that function is equal to this. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you choose to receive notification, you will receive notification whenever I post a new video. And trust me, I'm doing a video a day, like maybe 2-3 videos a day. So you will not miss any of those videos. And if you're understanding well with my videos, it will help you. And it will help me at the same time. Thank you for listening.